Do you know 120,000 square kilometers of agricultural soils are lost globally through soil degradation every year? That's about the size of central Thailand. So, to feed our people, we need more land and more fertilizer, which actually makes the problem even worse. This is one of the biggest threats to our future food security. But what on earth can urban people like us do? Let us introduce you to Nitha and her project, PakDone, an eco project located in Thailand.
Pak in Thai mean vegetable, so vegetable gets done through recycling of organic waste. So we start off with small piece of land. We wanted to grow food, but the soil quality in this place was very poor. We hardly can grow anything with quality. But what we learned is that food waste can be used to create a really good quality soil, but we didn't know how to do it correctly. That's how we began and we realized, okay, there must be people like us that want to take care of food waste, but we just don't know how. As we learn about composting techniques, then we realize, oh, this can be done.
Her invention is called Pan Pui. It is a stackable clay pot which turns food waste into a soil. The working principle is simple. You just have to put the ingredients and, of course, food waste, wait the microbes doing things, and then, a nutrient-rich soil. This invention is easy to use and many people are using her products in their home.
Reversing climate change is within your fingertips, so composting not only take care of your food waste, but also provide you with good quality soil and therefore will bring you a really good quality organic produce where you can grow it yourself.
For more information, please visit here.